Hey, let's get creative and make some awesome Christmas decorations. So I have this wire laying around. It's way too flimsy, but I know a way to fix that. We can twist them together with a drill to make them thicker and more rigid. For the base of this decoration, I want to use some trash wood, but I want it to look a little bit more natural. I found this piece, and this piece. For sure we can make something beautiful from this. I don't like using machines for something like this, so I'll use the handsaw. For this project I also ordered one of these. It's a battery powered LED strip. With 10 lights, it's about 1 meter long. Exactly what I need this time.
Ow! Ow! Maybe this is a good time to mention that hot glue hurts.
Our Christmas decorations are done. Try to get creative this season and try to make something of your own. Or try these and let me know in the comments what you made. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.